In September 1666, London was a bustling city of narrow streets, wooden houses, and busy marketplaces. Life went on as usual, until a fire broke out in a small bakery on Pudding Lane. At first, it seemed a minor blaze, but with the summer heat, strong winds, and the closely packed wooden buildings, the fire spread rapidly, leaping from house to house. People shouted and ran through the streets, grabbing whatever possessions they could carry, while animals panicked and carts blocked the escape routes. The fire consumed homes, shops, and warehouses, igniting churches and spreading chaos through the city. Citizens tried desperately to stop it using fire hooks, buckets, and demolitions, but the flames were relentless, climbing higher with each gust of wind. The iconic St. Paul's Cathedral was threatened, and thick smoke darkened the sky, visible for miles. Families huddled in fields outside the city, watching their homes turn to ash. In just a few days, thousands of houses were destroyed, and tens of thousands of people were left homeless. Amidst the destruction, acts of bravery shone through as neighbors helped one another escape and protect valuables. When the fire finally died down, the city was almost unrecognizable, a smoldering ruin that demanded rebuilding. The Great Fire of London led to new regulations for safer buildings, wider streets, and a reimagined urban landscape. It became a turning point in the city's history, teaching lessons about urban planning, fire safety, and community resilience. Today, the story of the Great Fire reminds us of the power of nature, the fragility of human structures, and the courage of people who endured disaster, rebuilding London from its ashes and ensuring that the city would rise stronger than ever.